The Luxor CUBE offers a new level of flexibility to your home lighting system. With the CUBE, most outdoor lights, even other brands of low voltage and line voltage fixtures, are now controllable via the Luxor, creating a complete outdoor control system. The CUBE's built-in decoder provides zoning and dimming control for non-FX devices without the pre-installed decoder chip. Add control to house lights, holiday or party lights, or other devices throughout your outdoor living space with the Luxor CUBE. The CUBE creates a zone, and all devices installed inline after the CUBE operate as a single group, turning on and off and dimming together. For example, to control a group of recessed wall lights as one zone, only one CUBE is needed between the power source and the lead to the fixtures. To add more zones or control each wall light independently, install a CUBE prior to a fixture or group of fixtures for each zone. The Luxor sends two objects through the two-wire system: command signals and 12-volt AC power. So sometimes it makes sense to receive communication signals from the Luxor and power from an external source. This is the case on the high voltage CUBE and some installation options for the low voltage model. Assign the CUBE to a group just as you would a standard FX device using either the Luxor FacePack assignment ports or the wireless LAN. Insert the CUBE's two Luxor wires into the assignment ports. Choose a group number and press Program. If your CUBE is already installed, use the LAM in conjunction with Luxor Wi-Fi to wirelessly assign the group number. Once all the lights are assigned, they can be zoned and dimmed using the Luxor Wi-Fi app for the ultimate experience in outdoor lighting control.